How to buy DeepSeek AI agent token. So this token came under the symbol of DeepSeek AI. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. Now you have two ways to buy this token, even if you want to buy it inside your wallet or via this decentralized exchange platform. So what I show you here is to buy it inside your wallet, and after that I will show you how to buy it on this in this decentralized exchange platform. Copy the token address from here. As you can see, open your wallet that you use, for example Bitget wallet. Now select Solana as a network, click on this plus icon, paste the token address here. So if you are the first time, click on this plus icon. So after that, what you need to do, go back to your wallet, find your token that you just added. So this is it. Click on swap here, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDT. And make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now after that, type how much you want to buy. Here we'll be able to see how much you receive, and after that it's easy and simple. Click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So if you want to buy it on this decentralized exchange platform, for example Radium, click on this pair link. So after that, what you need to do, click on trade here and you will be able to redirect to Radium page. So I will just disconnect my wallet first, sorry guys. So connect your wallet first. So for example, if you use the Bybit wallet, now after that, what you need to do, so after you connect your wallet, if you don't find the token here, go back to CoinMarketCap and find the token page. So after that, copy the token address. As you can see, it's under this Solana network. Go back, click here, make sure to select the Solana as a network, paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on this plus icon and click on it again. So as you can see, this is our token. From the top, select the token that you want to buy, for example Sol. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet, and here's type how much you want to buy. So as you can see here, we'll be able to see how much you received last token. After that, click on more info. Make sure to read all that information here. Click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet, but via Radium. So if you use the Meteora, so click on Meteora or Meteora. As you can see, Meteora. So after that, click on trade here. So after that, you will be redirected to Meteora page. So first of all, I will just show you. Just connect. I will just refresh this page. Sorry. So after you click on connect, I will just go back and click on connect here. So select your wallet. If you don't find your wallet here, click on this arrow to expand this page and find your wallet. So I will use the Bitget wallet. So after that, what you need to do, just wait a few seconds. I will just reload this page again. So after you select the Bitget wallet, I will click on connect. So after you connect your wallet to this page, what you need to do, just scroll down and find your token here. If you don't find it, just go back, copy the token address from here. As you can see, paste the token address here. So this is our token. It will be up here. So select one of these. You will be able to buy it with USDC, and this you will be able to buy it with Sol. But select the one that have more pools. So after you click on it, select one of these. For example, this one. So after that, what you need to do, as you can see, click on swap here. So switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with. We selected previously. So here, type how much you want to buy. And here we'll be able to see how much you receive with that token. So after that, click on swap and you will be able to buy it on Meteora. So if you use the Orca, click on Orca here on this pair link inside the CoinMarketCap. Click on trade on Orca. So after that, it will redirect you to Orca.so page. So after that, connect your wallet for that. I will just go back. So here, as you can see, I will just disconnect my wallet. So I will just go back to trade and reload this page. Sorry guys. So after you click here on connect, you can select the wallet. So after you select the wallet, for example Bitget, click on connect here. So after you connect your wallet, what you need to do, if you don't find the token here, go back to the token page on CoinMarketCap. Now what you need to do, copy the token address. As you can see, this token is under the Solana network, as you know. So click here and make sure to paste it here. So this is our token. Click on it. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example Solana, but make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now here's type how much you want to buy, and here we'll be able to see how much you receive, and after that click on trade and you will be able to buy this token on Orca. So this is how to buy a DeepSeek AI agent token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.